Best Home Cooking with Tawynia M Fugate. Stay tuned for new dishes, new videos coming soon. Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna make Taco Bell's Fiesta potatoes. They use guacamole. You have to pay $1 a piece for that if you get it on yours. And they have tater tots and taco cheese and queso cheese on them. And onions if you want them. So we're going to start out with our potatoes. We got 20 tater tots. We'll go for the fries. Settings. That takes 20 minutes. This is the size at Taco Bell that you get for $1 of guacamole if you want it on your potatoes. Now we're going to cut up some onions to put on mine. Ronnie don't want none on his. And I've got green onion. He just wants the cheese and the sour cream. Is all he wants on his. Them little Fiesta potatoes are so good. Anything else you want extra on them taters, you have to pay for it. Other than onions and cheese. And they put a little bit of sour cream. A spoonful of sour cream on top of them. So if you want anything else, you have to pay for it. Anything extra. They're good, but they ain't that good. Not to pay nothing extra. I want pinto and cheese on mine. So I've got my pintos here and my cheese there. And our beans, we got our taco sauce, seasoning. Put in our beans. Our cheese. Now you put enchilada sauce in there if you have any. Okay, we got Taco Bell mild sauce for our beans. Now we're going to heat them up in the microwave. Okay, we got our taters. Each person's going to get 10. Okay, Ronnie wants cheese. Taco cheese is what he wants. And he wants queso cheese. We'll put that in the microwave and melt it. Melt our cheese. "20 seconds. Might take longer than that. Let's see. No, it ain't melting yet. I could have melted the whole thing, but I didn't want it in there because I got to use it for something else. Okay, let's see if it's melted. It's hot. I see that. Okay, let's stir it up now. Yeah, it's hot. Okay, and then he wanted some sour cream. Okay, let's put he wants his hot Taco Bell sauce. Okay. Now he wants some sour cream. That's all he wanted in his. And he's got his side of guacamole. I melted my cheese already. Now here's my pinto beans and Taco Bell sauce and cheese. My potatoes. Green onions. Taco Bell sauce. My guacamole. And my sour cream. And my cheese. Good. Try that. Taco Bell's Fiesta cheesy potatoes.